spotty showers around, but not bad. And then sun and clouds as we hit Sunday with 2 to 3 foot C. Here's
in this morning's GMA First Look, Hillsong announcing an investigation into its New York City branch. Hillsong's Australian founder Brian Houston tweeting, "We are launching an independent investigation into the inner workings of Hillsong NYC East Coast.
Wait, damn.
We need a solid foundation for
This is even when Made in Japan was good.
The best is yet to come." The news comes after Pastor Carl Lentz was
weird.
let go last week for what the church described as leadership issues and breaches of trust. Plus a recent revelation
What
of
the
moral
hell?
failures.
Made in Japan, but who is
addressing
it?
the situation in a video message during
I
Hillsong's
just
East
can't
Coast service on Sunday.
see shit.
Not only our key leaders in New York supportive of the
Made.
decisions that have been made, but in fact have been part of the process.
And we'll have much more on what this internal investigation could mean for Hillsong coming up at 7 a.m. With your GMA First Look, I'm Will Reeve, ABC News, New York.
Drop.
When Panera's
Forged.
Chef Close makes a pizza,
Is that what
he
that
doesn't
says?
just make a pizza.
Fucking A.
He uses